Our second sky replacement is much more simple. What we will do is we will take our Sky 2 foreground and put that in our composition. And it's a locked off shot, but as we've seen, getting a lot of chatter with these leaves is quite problematic. We're going to take cloud 3 and we're going to drag that below it. We'll turn off the audio. And then we'll hit Command D and we're going to make a duplicate of the sky replacement. We're just going to blink that one out for a second. So we will now click on sky replacement. We will add a Luma key and we will set it to key out brighter, and we will set the threshold to 163. We will set the tolerance to 125. We will set the edge thin to 1, and we will set the feather to 6. And if we take a look at that, you will see that we don't have anything that's terribly realistic looking. We've got all this ugly chatter and glowiness. So the next thing we'll do is we will click on our bonus layer and we will set this to multiply. Then we will add levels to that, and we will brighten it up a bit. I want to fix the background cloud a little bit. Let's scale that up to 150. And we'll slide it a little left and up so we get some more clouds. And that looks much more believable. And now all we have to do is finish our color correction. We'll add a adjustment layer. Hit return and call it CC, and we will add a lumetri to that. We'll want to open up the lumetri scopes. We just want parade, and we see that we can make this a lot brighter. So let's go ahead and pull up our whites. Pull them up all the way. We'll dip our shadows down just a little bit. See how that looks. That didn't mess with the tree very much. And now we will go into Creative. And we will add SL Blue Ice, and we will lower its intensity to about 63. And then we've got a before and after. It's got a little more punch in it. So go ahead and render that. Your name, sky replacement 2. We want it to be ProRes Light. And in here, make sure you tell it where you want it to go. I'm just going to put it in my sky replacement folder. Hit render and post it on canvas.